Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're out here working underneath a crabapple tree in the front yard. I got the boys out here with me. They're out here playing. But what I'm going to be doing is creating a shade garden underneath this tree. We started it last year by planting hostas right along the border on the inside near the driveway. I'll leave a link for that video in the description and above. But we're going to continue that. We picked up some hosta bulbs from Costco a couple weeks ago, as well as some Astilbe and some Ferns. The Astilbe are going to be this nice pink color. So what I'm thinking is we're going to continue the border here with the hostas. So I'm thinking over here what we're going to do is plant all of the Astilbe in this area. We've got a nice big void. I think we can fill this in quite nicely. And then we've got the hyacinth over here. So as this starts to die off and the color starts to fade, the Astilbe should start to pick up and start to see a new color here. So we will have some color variety over in this area, which should be nice. Over here behind the hyacinth, we've got our septic area. We want to try to mask this area. So I think what we're going to do is plant our ferns over here to create a backdrop. So fill this whole area in, but allow some intake in so we can access the septic area. But kind of fill it in to create a backdrop for our milkweed and our hydrangeas. So we're going to fill this in with ferns to kind of create a little bit of depth, as well as kind of mask this area out a little bit. Now to continue our hosta border, we have the Bressingham Blue hostas. We got about 9 of these. We are going to be planting them roughly about 24 to 40 inches apart. They can reach up to 24 inches in height. They are hardy from zones 3 through 9. Now the hostas aren't deer resistant because they do eat these in the fall and cut them back for us, but they are going to be very hardy in the shade, so they're going to be a good addition to this area.
What are you doing? Are you helping? You sure are dirty. Let me see your hands. Are your hands dirty? Yup.
Next up is going to be our Stilby. The variety is Gloria purpurea. We have 6 of these. They're going to go in here right behind the Bressingham Blue hostas, which I think are going to contrast nicely with the color variation. They're going to start blooming in spring, which is going to be nice. They're hardy from zones 4 to 8. They'll be about 24 inches tall, and they're spaced roughly about 20 inches apart. Stand right here. And then around our septic area, we've got our Christmas ferns. They're going to be blooming and reaching their full potential in summer. They get to be about 24 inches tall and 24 inches wide. They're hardy from zones 3 through 9, and they are deer resistant, which is huge. And I think this can provide a nice backdrop and a color variation to not only our hostas and the Stilby, but also the milkweed and the hydrangeas. What are you doing?
Digging a hole
For what?
for the bugs that I just found my cover here. See?
What do you got in there?
I got worms and the grub and another worm.
Okay, you gonna put them in the hole?
Yep.
Leave them in there, Graham. Leave it there. All right, guys, so that is it. We have everything in the ground. The Hosta border is coming along exactly like I imagined it. Although I think I'm falling short over here on the north side as well, over on the in the bend where the soil pile is. I do want to get that soil pile into the back and into the beds as soon as possible. Once I do that, I'm going to want to continue the hostas along the border in front of the milkweed and also the hydrangea. Either I'm going to buy some new ones, or we're going to go and our little hosta garden that we have over near the barbecue area, I might split some of those and bring them over here and fill them in. But that will be later on this year, once I see how everything grows in and how everything fills in. So I'll keep you updated on everything. You can follow us on Facebook and Instagram, where I'll be posting pictures of all of this stuff up as it comes up. So that's going to be it. Thanks, guys, for watching, and we'll see you soon.